Hi guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the bell notification, and don't forget to give the video the thumbs up. Okay guys, so we're going to make some eggplant parmesan today, and these are the ingredients that we're going to use. So here we have some eggplant. This is a young eggplant. If you use the younger eggplant, they're not going to be as bitter as if you use the more mature ones. So you would cut it into quarter pieces, and we're going to use some Parmesan cheese, and traditionally you would also use mozzarella cheese, but I don't have any mozzarella, so I'm just going to use the Parmesan. You're going to have your tomato sauce that you're going to use. You would also need to use some basil and some oregano, but I don't have any oregano, so I'm going to use Italian seasoning, as that does have oregano in it, and some salt. So what we're going to do is we're going to fry the eggplant in some olive oil. Now another way of doing this is breading your eggplant, but I'm not going to do that. I'm simply going to fry the eggplant in some olive oil, and then I'm going to lay it here on this paper towel to drain, and then I'm going to use my dish to build layers of the eggplant, the tomato sauce, and the Parmesan cheese, and of course if I had mozzarella then you would put mozzarella, and then you keep on layering it until, well, you use off all of your eggplant, and then you put it in the oven to bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about half an hour. Now you want to season this while it's still hot with salt, so that the salt sticks to the eggplant. You sprinkle your salt while it's still hot. Okay, so we're going to start building our dish. Of course, with the amount of eggplant I have here, I should have used a smaller dish for baking, but unfortunately I don't have a smaller dish for baking, so I'm just going to have to use this. So we just put down the eggplant. I'm just going to put some of this sauce here, the tomato sauce. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the Italian seasoning over it. If I had oregano alone, I would have just put that. I'm going to put some basil leaves. Now I'm going to sprinkle some of the Parmesan cheese over it. Alright, and I'm just going to finish with the rest of the eggplant. Alright, so this is all the eggplant is used up now. So like I said, if you had mozzarella cheese, you could have also added it to this as well. And now we're going to put this in the oven to bake for half an hour at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay guys, so our eggplant parmesan is now completed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.